Okay, here's an update on the project. Here's the sides. There is a metal bar that extends a metal frame that goes all the way out to the end. So here I've got the curved piece back in. So I cut the bad stuff off. Down here I added some new board. That's underneath the finish. And then I'm using this spray can foam to fill the voids inside there. Now push on this. This is pretty strong here. No flex at all. And it sticks like unreal. Okay, here we are with another update. We got our angle piece of aluminum over there. It goes into the metal frame outside, and then this board is screwed down to it. And this board here is screwed down with these, and on the outside you probably can't see that, but those are screws too. And these holes are to finish putting the foam on the inside, and that'll seal it up really good. Then I have to cut some little ends here and we're done. I have to finish it. Okay, that's another update. Here's an update. Here's the floor that's in. You can see I've got the metal on the side. Those screws go into through the aluminum and into metal. There's a metal frame hanging there. And I did got that one trim board in place, just sitting there. I fiberglassed a little bit right at those edges where the fiberglass goes together on the body. Here in the front they had a piece of that trim across that seam where the top and the bottom come together. I like things to be kind of solid for sure, so I fiberglassed that in. That's the other side. And the metal on the same on that side. And this scoots back like that, slides back, and I replaced this trim on here, put a round edge on this plywood. There you go. Now you can see real good. You can see all those holes there. Those are where I put the foam in. And, we're just waiting for the window putty to show up. I ordered it online. It looks pretty good. Pretty solid. Well, this is a RV Jerry, and that's my fix. I'll come back with another update. Got this up here looking really good. Wife did those curtains. Got all this carpet in. Just tucked underneath here. This upper piece makes out into a bed. Top finished. And this pulls out, makes into a nice bed. There you go. got latches that locks it in place. If you want to drive down the road, usually ends up storage. This just goes right back. There you go. That little squealing noise is little granddaughter.